Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today I'm going to share with you one of my mini Chanel handbags. So if you watched my another video when I explained or compared the four different mini handbags from Chanel, you may watch this one. So this is one of them. So I'm going to introduce you this bag in details today. So the color of this is a blue, but it's almost like a turquoise blue. And then actually it reminds me of the mint chocolate, the mint from the mint chocolate chip ice cream or whatever. So this color is really unique. So that's the reason actually for me when I actually decided to purchase this one. And then as you noticed, I'm not really sure if you can see, but this is an iridescent leather. So there is a pearl around the bags, and then it's really shiny. So the thing is, if I wear this one outside, it's a little bit lighter in terms of the color, but it's actually a little bit dark inside, maybe in the house or apartment. So what I see now is a little bit of dark color, but I really like the color because it's a little bit of, it has a little bit of versatility. And then in terms of the hardware, this is a brushed gold hardware. So I really think that the hardware and then the color of the bag has a really good match. Um, and then I am going to share with you the side of the bag. So it's not really big as you can see. The name is the mini, right? So I can actually share with you the inside of the bags. So as you can see, the inside is, it has this amount of space. So it's not really big and then cheaper. And then as you can see, the serial number starts with 25. So I purchased this one in 2018. And then this is a caviar leather. So maybe most of you or some of you may notice or already know that the Chanel does not release the caviar leather for their mini size. So I really am sure that this is the last collection in terms of the mini caviar letter. So I really think that I was lucky to have this one in my collection since I had maybe two, I have two Chanel mini with lambskin leather, but they are not really durable. But for this one, as you can see, I think I tried to wear this one maybe often, maybe, yeah. But I do not have any corner wear around this or any crease or any scratches because of the caviar leather. And then you may know that the letter, I'm sorry, you may know that the size of the mini is not really big, but the thing is it has only two garment, so we can wear it as a shoulder bag or maybe crossbody, but you cannot wear it as a double strap because it has only two garment. So I can quickly show you how it looks on me if I wear the crossbody. It actually hits me right here. In terms of my height, I am 5'5", so I really think that it's a perfect bag in terms of the length as well when I wear as a crossbody. So that's why I have a lot of mini Chanel. I think I really prefer mini rather than medium, large, or jumbo. And then also it really fits perfectly for my body frame as well. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you the bag as well. And this is the bag side of the bag. So it has one pocket. So it's really convenient. If you know the Boy Chanel, I also do have several boy bags. And then the thing that I don't like for the boy is they don't have any back pocket, right? But all the classic Chanel, I'm talking about the mini, medium, large, and then jumbo, the classic line, including mini, they always have the back pocket. So it's really easy to carry your credit cards, or if you have any piece of paper when you wear the bag, you don't have to open the bag, right? So that's one of the good thing that I really like for this bag. Um, and then yeah, I think that's it for this bag. So if you have any question about this one, please let me know. And then I really think this is one of my favorite in terms of the color and then the iridescent part. But actually I tend to wear more the beige or the pinkish color rather than the blue color. Maybe usually I try to wear, I don't know, maybe more white color outfits or more like pastel tone outfits. So sometimes this one, I don't know. I just don't think it's always the perfect match. But I really love this color, and then I not going to sell this one maybe. And then as I mentioned, the caviar letter is does not. I mean, it's not available at this moment, or maybe forever from Chanel. So that's why I also want to keep this one. So thank you for watching this video today. And then if you have any questions, just let me know. And then if you like this video, if you like the bag, please give me a thumbs up, and then consider to subscribe my channel and so that you can check more videos. I'm going to actually upload more video for each bag in details, and then also I will include a model shot as well. So thank you so much. Bye.